What's going on, traders? We are back, greenwoodstocktrading at gmail.com, and we got a wild market. It continues to get wilder and wilder. All these SPACs, all these IPOs, all these mergers are continuing to run the market higher. Let's start with Tesla, TSLA. This is what's making the EV sector, the electric vehicle market run. So by just general rule of thumb, the big stocks run first, and then the small stock, they'll pause for a minute, then the small stocks will follow. So you see Tesla making Elon Musk the richest person in the world. Look at this. He's the richest person in the world now besides nobody. And so let's look at everything else. VJet got halted. And so now we're looking at, we got in this play around $14, and now it's trying to break above the high of the day. So we're just sitting on this IPOE, another halt play. Ideally, when you get in on a halt, you want to be buying a dip. Now, unless you get on the first halt. Now, on the first halt, the very first halt, I want to be in no matter what. As soon as this reopens, I'm in, because I get in here at 15, I enjoy a nice ride to 17. Okay. Then if it continues to go, that's extra. But we get in on a halt and we get ready to sell into strength. If it keeps running, great. We can sell half the position and let the free shares run. So looking at the rest of the plays, VJet. Trying to run. So right now, let's look at where the breakout is. The breakout right now here is at the high right here. Once it breaks 1480, then we're looking at this triangle and breaking above. It needs to hold 15. What else? Bitcoin is going crazy. So Mara is just running every single day. You want to buy the dips and sell the rallies if you're trading, okay? Buy the dips, sell the rallies, because it's going to pull back at some point. But with Bitcoin going higher and higher and higher, there's no stopping this thing. Look at where it break out. So we talk about breakout levels. We've talked about that over and over. Breakout levels. Where are these breakout levels? It's where a stock has tried to get past and could not in the past. So once it does, expect a big, strong, powerful move upwards, okay? So Bitcoin is trending. What else is trending? Biotech. Biotech is trending. We got a little pop here on OGen. They got an agreement for a vaccine. So basically something to make their vaccine stronger. What else? Well, I'm going to try to go over all the hot stocks for today. Plug Power. Plug Power gapped way up. So again, any kind of clean energy EV stock is running. You see where it tries to break above. Guys, you can literally set your stops, set a buy stop or set an alert where these stocks have not gone before. So let's say right here, once it breaks, okay, once it breaks, boom, look at the move, and you can sell here, okay? Take profits and keep moving. What else? SunW. Look at this breakout level. Look at this breakout level. Once it breaks here, you don't have to buy here and get caught in the sell-off, okay? Buy once it holds up here, and then when it takes off, you're good, okay? What else? We were talking about OTCs. We'll get to those. CBAT we traded. We were in at 680, and we sold out at 780. So got a quick little dollar move, but again, everything is running. So we covered Bitcoin, we covered EV, solar energy, we covered mergers. What else? Well, OTCs, ALM. All right, so right now we're looking at a stock that could possibly bounce. So whenever this stock does bounce, expect a move. Once it spikes and goes parabolic, we don't expect it to retest. We expect it to do a third or a half of where it moved, okay? So I'm looking to a move somewhere between 50 and 70 cents. somewhere between here and here. Okay, that's my price target. All right, we'll check back later and see if that came true or held true. Okay, UNGS again. We alerted that it kind of cooled off earlier. Pulled back, and now it's back up. So these 00, 000 stocks are cheap. So people go in, 500K, 300K, 200K. Just got alert FTFT. Look at this. Again, anytime you're going past a pre-market high, anytime you get past a pre-market high, expect a big breakout. Expect a big move. Look at this channel. It's not even pulling back much. Okay, look at this, all the way up, a nice ride up. So whenever you see a stop and it runs pre-market, okay, once it pulls back and goes past the pre-market high, you can get in with no questions. All right, did I miss anything? Something that you want to see, your favorite chart, shoot me an email, make a comment, and I will try to get you some analysis of the stock that you're looking at. Like, share, subscribe. Text me 281-760-3170 if you want to inquire about coaching or have a call. We will see you on the green side.